Yeah, what's going on, family? It's your man B Miles coming to you live once again with another video from the B Miles 84 Conscious channel. And I actually want to come to y'all with another video, man, talking about how New York City down in Manhattan had like a real big power outage for like at least about 3.5 to 4 hours over the weekend. Now, what they were saying was, I believe this might have happened like last night for down in Saturday down in Manhattan. I believe like on the Lower East Side and the Upper East Side of Manhattan or something like that. They were saying for about like 30 blocks, over 72,000 people in Manhattan was actually out of power. And I believe the utility company named Con Edison was trying to find out, what was going on about the situation. And Mayor de Blasio was talking about the situation, and also Governor Andrew Cuomo, he actually deployed the military down into New York City, to find out what was going on, because that's a lot of people in the biggest tourist attraction in the world, but downtown Manhattan, which is out of power. They said over 72,000 people was down there for about hours, just roaming the streets when it had no power, and that right there is a really big deal, especially in a place like New York City where, this is in Manhattan and they have a power outage. Anything can happen, because you have visitors that's there, and that's the same place where, excuse me, 9/11 took place and all that. So, a lot of people was definitely going to be on guard in that situation, and they doing an investigation right now to find out what's going on as far as like, the power outage, and try to see, what happened, because that was a major blackout. And they were saying the power finally came back on like a little after like maybe like 10:30 or 10:45 when the power came back on, and everything was still normal. But they were saying that there was still some street lights on a certain amount of blocks that was still messed up, and then they were also saying that regular citizens, they were directing traffic in the inner city as well to try to guide the people, because that could have been disastrous. And they were saying like a lot of places where the trains were being conducted, a lot of buildings, where anything could have happened, where there was a large amount of people, any situation could have happened up there. They kind of remind me like the movie Under Siege, and what happened during 9/11. Anything could have happened. But I had to come to y'all with this short video, man. Spread thoughts up on this, shed light up on the situation. I felt the need of y'all had to hear this subject. Keep on liking and subscribing to my channel. Always appreciate the love. And don't forget to hit the bell to get all of my notifications. And this your man B Miles coming to you live once again from the B Miles 84 Conscious channel. One love once again. Peace.